Mastering Math Vocabulary. Divide by, explained. Hello, dear learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common but crucial phrase in math, divide by. Whether you're handling your finances, splitting a pizza among friends, or just dealing with numbers, understanding this term is fundamental. So, let's dive into the world of division and make sense of divide by together. When we talk about divide by, we're referring to one of the four basic operations in arithmetic. Imagine you have a collection of items and you want to split them into smaller, equal groups. Division is the math operation that allows you to do this fairly and evenly. But what does it mean to divide by a number? Think of it as an instruction that says, take a quantity and split it into this many equal parts. For instance, if you have 10 apples and you want to divide by 5, you're figuring out how many apples will go into each of the 5 equal groups. Let's bring this to life with visuals. Imagine you're in a classroom with 30 students and you want to create teams. If you divide by 5, you're creating 6 equal teams because 30 students divided into 5 groups give you 6 students per team. Now, visualize a pizza with 8 slices. If you divide by 4, each person gets 2 slices, because 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Visual aids can be incredibly powerful in understanding division. In mathematics, division can be represented by a few symbols. The most common one is the obelisk, divided by, but you can also see a slash, or a line with dots above and below, divided by. When you see any of these symbols, it means you are to divide. Let's see this in a simple expression. 12 divided by 3. Here, the number 12 is being divided by the number 3. So we're finding out how many times 3 can fit into 12, which is 4 times. Division is not just a classroom exercise, it's a practical tool. When you're baking and a recipe calls for half of an ingredient, you divide by 2 to find out how much to use. When you're at work and you need to allocate tasks among colleagues, you divide the total work by the number of colleagues. Understanding how to divide by a number is essential for fair distribution. Whether it's in dividing profits, sharing resources, or even planning time efficiently. And there you have it. The concept of divide by made simple. We've seen how it's a fundamental building block in not just math, but in our everyday lives. I hope this video has clarified what divide by means and how you can apply it in various scenarios. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be dividing like a pro. Remember, every big number is just a challenge waiting to be broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Happy dividing, and see you in the next video.